Hey friends, I know that you have been waiting for my new video since long. I thought to make a new video in between, but as the schedule is tight and we were called back to the college, so it was not possible. But here, finally, I am back with a new video, or we can say vlog, a day in the life of medical student at the AIIMS. After silencing 5 alarms in a row, I finally woke up at the 6th alarm at 8 o'clock. This is a morning view from my window. Okay, so good morning guys. It's 8:15 now and college is from 9 to 5. So I have 1 hour to go. 1 hour is more than enough for boys, I think. Anyways, so I will quickly brush up my teeth and then we will check what's there in the breakfast. For taking breakfast, I have to walk 1 kilometer. मजाक कर रहा हूँ भाई. पोहा, मसाला डोसा, सांबर, चटनी, watermelon. Okay, so just finished the breakfast and it's 8:35 now. I will take a quick shower and will return in 2 seconds. Yo. Okay, so guys, I'm back from my shower. It's almost 9 now, as I don't know whether you will be able to see or not. So I will have to run to the college, otherwise unexpected will happen. So I will go. Hey, I am back from my obs and gynae theory class. We have 2 hours of pediatric clinical posting now. Quickly I will gear up and then we will take you to the IPD or OPD. I don't know where the class will be. Okay, so I will see you soon. This is our newly inaugurated IPD in the C block. So this is general surgery ward, obs and gynae ward, and the ward where I am posted, pediatrics or children ward. Okay, so 2 hours of clinical postings are over. No patient was there today, so we were taken to the IPD. Anyways, from 12 to 1 we have lunch break. Quickly we will see what's there in the lunch. खाना खाते खाते मुझे ये याद आया कि many people ask me what's the mess fee at AIIMS. In the previous video which I made, I had shown you the fee structure of 5,856 rupees. That fee structure includes your hostel, your gym, your library, electricity bill, all that stuff for 5 years MBBS course. But the thing which it does not include is the mess fee. So the mess fee varies from location to location in different AIIMS. Here the mess fee is 3750 rupees for 25 days, which includes breakfast, lunch and dinner. According to me, it's a bit expensive here. What do you think about it? Tell me in the comment section below. So the lunch is over and we have now 4 hours of practical classes, 2 hours of pathology and 2 hours of pharmacology, and then the college will be over. Okay, so this is the Department of Pathology and Lab Medicine. Today's topic was pleomorphic adenoma and cirrhosis of liver. This is the slide of cirrhosis of liver, जो दारू पीने की वजह से होता है. Hey, I'm back from my pathology practical class. Now I will have to gear up for the pharmac class. Hey, going for the pharmac class. We'll see you soon. Only 2 hours left. Bye. In pharmacology, the practical class was on prescription writing for CVS. So 4 hours of practical classes are also over and now we are free. Quickly I will fresh up and then we will check what's there in the snacks and take some tea. Yo! It was raining outside at that time, so playing outside was not possible. I scrolled through mobile for 10 to 15 minutes and then started doing workout. After finishing workout, I went for dinner. I had some work with my mobile, so I was not able to shoot during that time. After dinner, I felt like studying, so I studied for 1 hour straight. In between, I played BGMI for half an hour or so. And then again studied for another 1 hour. Okay, so it's 11:30 now. I am feeling very sleepy and tired. Generally, I don't study for this much time, but to make this vlog, I have to sit and study. So yeah, I'll call it a day and good night.
See you soon.
So this was a day in my life as a medical student at AIIMS Hyderabad. Hope you found this video useful. If yes, please show your love and support. Let me know in the comment section how do you feel about this video. And one more thing I wanted to add, please follow me on Instagram and Telegram. It's very lonely there without you. Once again, thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the upcoming video. Till then, goodbye, namaskar, Jai Hind.